few tech calls rolling in, and so I just wanted to go ahead and make some videos to address these kind of common questions. So one thing that is happening is when your green light on the front of the furnace is blinking slowly. When the green light is blinking slowly, it means that you are having a problem with combustion air getting to the firebox. Generally, this can have to do with your chimney pipe. One of the most common issues that I see with these furnaces are 90-degree elbows installed directly off the rear of the furnace. You should never start directly with a 90-degree elbow. You want to use a T. Also, it should be noted that most furnaces do require the installation of a barometric T. Or a barometric damper, I should say, which goes inside the T. And that you basically set the airflow through the chimney. And a lot of furnaces need that kind of to operate efficiently. So this can especially happen kind of when it's warmer weather. So we tend to get this call sometimes when it's warmer weather. People are starting the fire. Maybe they're loading up too much wood and then they have these issues with the chimney pipe. Another thing to keep in mind as well is you shouldn't really have two 90 degrees. I've seen this a lot where there will be like a 90-degree here and then they'll go up maybe like a foot and then another 90-degree elbow and then another 90-degree elbow on the exterior of the house. That's definitely going to cause a huge problem with restriction of airflow. So if it was not your chimney pipe, yes, then other items to consider can be weather factors as well, but oftentimes the lack of airflow does have to do with the chimney pipe and the proper setting of your barometric damper control. So I hope you guys found this overview helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, that helps me out. Don't forget to click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks guys for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.